You guys wanna do the condom contest? Yeah. All right. Just pick one. You wanna join?
Let me get 2.
No, you can't blow 2.
Hey, my dad has this kind.
How do you know that?
Can I go through it? I went in and joined. I saw Ultra Fan.
Yeah, I need another one.
No, you don't. You have 3.
This keyboard.
You guys seriously lost the condom?
No. TJ ate it. This one feels so.
They told us not to buy them in sex ed. Oh shit.
You went in sex ed? I went in sex ed.
Search you. Where'd you put the condom, Larry? Where's the condom, Larry? Huh? Where's the condom, Larry?
Help me, PJ. PJ, get him.
Condom, Larry.
Put my face on it. I don't care.
What?
Wait.
You guys ready?
Shit, there's fucking hair in it. Okay.
Ready, set, blow. Don't be ashamed of your blow. Jason, blow. Keep going. Keep going. Don't tie it. Keep going. Fuck you, man.
That's one nasty.
It looks like a balloon. Oh, shit. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Fly.
Treat it like a bitch. Tastes disgusting. You're tasting it? Why?
Why are you putting it on your shoe, you weirdo?
This is what we did when we were doing a video on sex ed.
Aw.
Wiener foot, wiener
Put
foot.
on your head.
Mine broke.
Aw. You had a child.
Why is it not wet?
Fall.
How does it feel?
Horny.
Horny? What?
Yeah.
Okay, my turn.
Okay. I'll sit behind you and record. What's up, baby?
I have a need for speed, motherfucker.
I'm dead. Oh god.
Oh, he fell with your camera. You're happening again. Are you okay?
God damn it. Help me up, bitch.
Are you
Sure.
okay? What happened?
Fuck you.
Why'd you jump off?
I didn't. I fell off.
How'd you fall?
But she's so nice, but she's so nice, but she's so nice, but she's so nice.